Have you ever imagined that a pile of discarded plastic waste could be transformed into a strong, durable bench? This talented craftsman proves that with creativity and determination, almost anything can be recycled into something useful. The process begins with old, woven plastic bags and plastic sheets placed over a blazing fire. As the heat rises, the plastic melts into a thick black liquid. Using a long stick, he continuously stirs the mixture to ensure it melts evenly. Once fully liquefied, he pours it onto a flat surface, where it quickly cools and hardens into a large, solid block. Next comes the recycling stage. The hardened plastic is smashed into smaller pieces with a heavy hammer before being fed into a powerful shredder. The machine grinds the material into coarse, black flakes, preparing it for the next step. These flakes are then processed through a heated extruder. Under high temperature and pressure, the plastic melts once again and is formed into smooth strands. After cooling and cutting, they become uniform, high-quality, recycled plastic pellets. Finally, the pellets are placed inside an injection molding machine. As the mold slowly opens, a brand new, sturdy, red plastic bench emerges, completing an incredible transformation from waste into a practical product. This amazing process shows how innovation and craftsmanship can turn discarded materials into something valuable while helping reduce plastic waste. If you enjoyed this incredible recycling project, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing recycling, DIY, and craftsmanship videos.